You probably won't believe the study I just came across. It explores how a completely unrelated part of the body might be linked to penile length. I want you to pause this video right now and leave a comment below with your guess about what it could be. I'm Dr. Rena, a urologist and pelvic surgeon, and if you're new here, I create videos focused on urologic topics including sexual health, bladder health, and much more. If you're new, please consider subscribing and sharing this channel with your friends. In this study carried out in Japan, researchers examined 136 men who had recently passed away, and during their autopsy, within 3 days, they recorded several measurements. And all of these men were between 30 and 50 years old. They evaluated the length of the penis in both the flaccid state and when stretched. They also measured the weight of the prostate along with the testicles and this other body part. And the reason behind conducting this study was that earlier research had looked at penile length over a person's lifetime. They observed that penile growth continued until adolescence, where it slowed significantly. It stayed fairly consistent during middle age, and then showed a slight decrease with aging. They then decided to examine this specific body part. And interestingly, they discovered that this particular feature was linked with all the measurements they recorded except for penile circumference. Interestingly, height, weight, and other measured factors showed no connection with penile length. And this was the only organ that actually showed a relationship with penile length. Can anyone guess what it is? It's the length of the nose. So what they did was measure the nose from its midpoint down toward the left and toward the right. And they selected whichever side was longer. And in urology, researchers commonly use stretched penile length as an indicator for erect length. So, in most cases, stretched length and erect length are quite similar. So the key takeaway from this study is that penile length may be determined before birth, since it does not appear to be linked with age, height, or body weight. I hope you found this video interesting in some way. As always, remember to take good care of yourself because you truly matter.